Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen touch ghosting issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue which is touch ghosting in your screen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go ahead to your settings here, scroll down, go to display and make sure that these both settings are enabled like accidental touch protection and the sensitivity. And also make sure that your touch screen or your display is completely clean, or if it's not, we can also retry to clean it with a cotton cloth. Once I've done, the issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go back from here, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date. If your software is updated but you're still facing the same issue, just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just restart your phone. A forced restart or a restart can fix the software glitches. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings here, go to general management, go to reset, and here just try to reset all settings, so it will not delete any kind of your data. You can easily try this. Once you have resetted your setting, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.